Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia Drive Chevy.
Well, we got started a little bit late tonight with all the showers and thunderstorms that are in the central part of the state. We did have action on either side of the metro. It took a little while for us to get unstable enough for things to start popping across the central portions. And now, of course, we have these thunderstorms that'll probably continue through much of the early part of the overnight. Temperatures right now are in the 70s. This is where we generally expect to be with our overnight low temperatures. So we're going to look for some areas with potential fog. I'll show you those in a second. Flash flood risk, it's there, but it's really small, about 5%. But you do want to watch out in some of these areas that are getting the heaviest rain, because it is possible that you could see a little bit of flash flooding in areas that are typical for that. And as we get into tomorrow morning, it's possible you could see some low clouds and maybe some low visibility, especially if you get a heavy soaking tonight. By the time we get to noon, it's all gone, but you can see it's part of the central metro, a little bit of the west, but especially here in the east where the rain is probably going to be a little bit heavier, you can expect to get some early morning fog and low visibility. Let's take a look at what's going on over the Atlantic that's going to be affecting us. This is a tropical wave, and this is what we usually watch for development of tropical cyclones. This one not going to do that, but it is working its way towards the west, and it's going to continue to push itself on into the eastern United States coast. That's because it's under the influence of the Bermuda high that we've talked about over the past couple of days. So that's going to be pushing it onshore, give us a big slug of moisture for Friday and probably into the weekend. In addition to that, we had a very vigorous sea breeze. Those are thunderstorms that get going with those onshore winds. Once they hit the land, they start to encounter that warm air and you get the rising motion that pushes its way on inland. And we've seen some moisture from that also that's going to contribute. So looking at Friday and certainly Saturday, we're going to have a pretty good moisture envelope, let's say, across a lot of the east. Not going to feel that great, but it will set us up for some showers and thunderstorms each afternoon. You could take this all the way really into early next week. So there's your flow coming in off the Atlantic, also a little bit there coming in off of the Gulf. We put it all together again with daytime heating, and we kick off showers and thunderstorms each afternoon. So here comes your Friday. This is early in the morning, and then watch this bloom. Friday afternoon, we start to get rain across just about all of the eastern United States, and certainly that includes us. We'll do it again on Saturday. We'll do it again on Sunday, and I'm going to take you a little bit closer, show you what that means for you. So your Friday should start off pretty quiet, and then in the afternoon, that's when you're going to see those rain chances increasing across all of the area. So just remember that. Keep your rain gear handy, especially the umbrella in the car. Smart idea. High temperatures near 90, chance of rain each day over the next 7. Joshua?